of the project is to focus on organic learning through the theater actions. For organic learning, we understand that we are following the specific recommendation of the European Parliament and of the Council of Europe that in 2006 they stated this recommendation and stated 8 key competences to be part in all the LLP actions, in lifelong learning program actions. And these competences are both for adults and for young people, and they go from, I don't know, mathematical competences, communication foreign languages, communication mother tongue, and ITC competences, and so on. So the general structure of the project it's based on this recommendation, and each organization, that we are 4 organizations in this project, each organization takes care of a specific key competences according to the main competence that each organization has. So, for example, we manage the intercultural issues, so our workshop in Europe to make a special awareness about the intercultural awareness, the dialogue between different cultures, and so on, according to the 8 key competences. And then I think that you will speak about your specific key competence. And we will make 4 meetings. This is the second meeting of a 4-planned meeting. The first one was in Italy in March, end of February, 1st of March. And we organized the Festival of Culture, in fact, to strengthen awareness about the intercultural dialogue between people and cultures. And you can find more information about all the work we've done and we will do in the website. If you're interested, I will write you. And the next meeting will be at the end of January, I think, in Greece. And then we will have a final conference, a general conference, to present our main output. That it will be a guide, a handbook that will contain the main guidelines to manage key competence through the theater and other specific tools that we are writing right now, and I think that's the general scheme.
You said something about the next step in January. Exactly in which way is the next step of this project?
Which way we will do this? We will be in Greece at the end of January, and the general scheme, the methodology that we use is that we prepare all the mobility, because this kind of meeting is called mobility by the program, and we prepare the mobility months ago altogether by mail or by Skype meeting and so on, in order to present here our organic organization scheduling. Then where is it? Where is it in Turkey? It's in Ankara.
March.
End of March. We will do the same kind of work there in Turkey, and we will try to do our best.
Thank you.
You tell us about the website.
Yes.
Can you tell us?
Yes, it's partnershiptool.eu.
Did you have a motivation to implement this project? It was a question.
The general motivation to do this. Well, this is a good question. Thank you. Because we have great motivation, because we want to to share our work in Europe, and we want to show to people that is working with us, that mainly is young people, people that never go abroad, that there are so many associations and organizations that are working in the same field, and we want to let them know that they are not alone. I mean, they are not isolated nucleus working on this stuff all the day and they are going crazy all the day. But there is people that share objectives and aims all across Europe, and I think that this program is very useful for this kind of objective, to reach this objective. And for another thing, as for example, we are not so, I mean, we are not an association specialized in theater. And for us, has been a very big challenge to participate and coordinate mainly this project, because we started to open our collaboration links with the association in Sicily and in Europe, and I am glad to strengthen my connection with Ocean, for example, that let us permit to open our minds to other kind of tools as theater is, and I think that the workshop theater and theater activities are a strong tool to involve young people, and especially young people, to civic competences and social competences. Yeah.
Thank you for the answer.
Thank you.
Cu câte persoane vor lucra în final în proiect?
How many people are involved finally in the project?
My association has to bring 24 people. You are 24.
25. 25. We have a group of 25 persons for different kind of jobs, specialist, actor and actress, and musician, and psychologists, and advisors, and trainers, and teachers, and mechanical engineer, and a lot of different kind of jobs. The main action is the actors and musicians to give the opportunity to involve in the theater, and the teacher to bring their ideas in order to give some tools for education to the people. And so we work together, so as individual, also as team. From the beginning, 1 year, we have 26 meetings in Athens, the group, with an agenda or to work on 4 myths, Asian Greek myth. One is the Europe, the myth of Europe. Between these myths, we have the ideas to see the Europe woman and the man Europe, and the woman as Taurus, and how the man and the woman now can exchange these idioms.
Yes.
And work together in another culture personality. So we continue with the myth of Cassiope, the myth of Prometheus, and the myth
Of Sisyphe?
What?
Prometheus.
Prometheus,
Yes,
Prometheus, Cassiope,
Yes.
and Platon.
Plato.
In the mobility of Palermo, we present our methodology of the 2 myths, the European woman and Taurus woman, and now and Platon's cave.
Yes.
Now, in this mobility here, we will present the myth of Europe as man-Europe now, different kind of Europe, and the Cassiopeia myth, that is the mother of all the world, and we organize the next mobility with the myth of Prometheus. And all this, in the last mobility in Turkey, we will close all these myths and we'll have the steps in order to organize educational tools from all these myths. All the methodology that used till the last mobility in Turkey, we will be the tools in order to work in lifelong learning, and not only in the schools, in the university, everywhere, using the theater, our body, our movement, our myths, our ancient Greek myths, in order to work all together in competencies, in the key competencies of Europe. We prefer and choose our group the key competencies, explore social and civic competencies, and cultural awareness and expression. This is the two key competencies that our group choose in order to work in the four myths.
But why these four myths?
Because it's our ideas.
It's very popular.
It's so popular. And also,
Cassiopeia is the mother of all
Yes,
work, Prometheus.
But, well, we have the myth of Sisyphus.
Sisyphus.
Yes, Sisyphus.
no, we prefer this
We
because
want to give a political...
Europe is the mother of Europe.
Yes.
Cassiopeia is the mother of the world.
Yeah,
So we can open
bring
the
light of the...
yes,
the
Prometheus bring the light in our lives and in our society. So Platon's put the person out of the cave and give them the opportunity to work together out of in knowledge. So we think there were ideas of 25 persons. We have brainstorming, and after this brainstorming, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and connection between these in order to have the tools and the methodology to work together.
Okay, and what is the work here in Romania, and how many people are involved?
Here in Romania are 9 people. In Palermo were 10 people, and 25 are all the group that work together in Greece. But in the mobility, we have in Palermo 10, here 9, in order all the members of the team have the opportunity once to go in a mobility. To know each other and to know the other partners as always.
În România sunt în momentul acesta 17 participanți din Italia, 9 din Grecia și așteptăm încă 2 parteneri din Turcia în cursul zilei de astăzi.
Plus
6 din partea noastră.
Da.
And we want to send 6 people in Greece and 1 in Turkey.
Another question. How difficult is to work Greeks with Turks? It's a problem in the modern time because...
No.
It's a problem for everybody.
Okay.
It's not a problem.
No, there is a problem.
English is the language in conversation of the project.
And the goal is to give all of us that we come from the same mother, Cassiopeia.
Yeah.
That is mother of all the world. from Africa, from Europe, from Asia. We will prove this tomorrow and work on it here. Not our Cassiopeia, our Asian myth is the mother of all of us. So we work together, no problem with Turkish or Greece. Or
Well, we speak about myths, and I want to ask.
No problem. Not with myth, not with the reality.